Your espresso machine comes with both single and double-shot single-wall filter baskets and dual-wall filter baskets. Single-wall filter baskets work best with freshly ground beans. They are the preferred option for coffee enthusiasts and baristas because they allow greater control of each extraction and a more superior outcome. The dual-wall baskets, as the name suggests, have two walls, one standard layer of mesh and another solid layer with a small hole. This creates extra back pressure and will assist you in drawing more flavour from your coffee. A dual-wall filter basket will enhance the crema and improve the overall consistency of your coffee, even when you are reusing older beans or pre-ground coffee.